see the beauty? Here is the beauty. You missed it, dude. We are in the process of making a center ramp for this trailer. We need to make a latch to be able to latch this ramp and keep them together as this trailer goes down the road. So we're gonna get started here. We're gonna have to bend this one out, making a latch. Oh, that's not good. That's not how you do it.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Right here. Then I turn it. From here. Okay, let's do this.
We got marbles.
Marvelous. So in theory, this will go in straight and gravity locks it in place. Got it? You got it. 10/16, 32, 30 seconds. 32, 30 seconds, 16, 16. We're just gonna go 5/8. Alright? Now with this. I'm gonna make it with that. We're gonna go with this. We're almost there. A little bit of cleaning on it. And it'll be a 5/8 in a minute.
Is it mechanic problems or what?
I don't have problems. I only have solutions. Oh shit. Some maniacs we got working here. I like that. Boop. Put a dot on there. And it's not gonna be our center. I don't have enough money to buy a tape measure or a ruler or any measuring devices. And here we go.
Gets me every time.
We have our first hole right here. It's a 5/8 hole. Then we're gonna make another one, but we're gonna oblong this one to be like maybe 1.5 inch long to the top, and this is gonna be our latch. This is so much close.
3/8.
3/8 off, and oh yeah, that'll work. So that'll be our gravity down, and it'll be locked right there. I like it. You like it? I like it. a return spring here to make this latch come back home away from this ramp, because they're gonna come in and drop a ramp and drop another ramp, and if this thing is on the way, they're probably gonna end up bending it. It's not even gonna be, oh, it worked. There it is. This goes in like this, and it goes like that. Are we flush there? Pretty much, yes. We're still a little bit long, so I'm going to ease that tip a little bit. That's it. So I'm just gonna cut a piece of very thick steel at 2 inch, and then we're gonna weld it right in here, and that'll work. 2 inch by maybe 2 inch. Yeah, that'll be good. And I can't literally not put this thing overlap right here, because it will be on the way of my flooring that I'm gonna install in a few minutes. So what I'm gonna do here is now I'm gonna change this to the front. See, this is what I'm telling you, man. We just keep on changing everything, hoping that something pans out here. 21 375. What the is that? 375. That's 1/4 inch. Okay, we can use 1/4 inch. We go with that. Why didn't you tell me that? I guess I'm gonna have to make a cavity on the wood. It looks beautimous. You know, beautiful. Go ahead and weld it just about the center of this plate. What's wrong with my latch?
It's overcomplicated. Spending 7 hours on making a latch, and then you still gotta make a second one.
No, I'm not making a second one. For what? I'm making a heavy duty latch here. One should be enough. Why do I need two?
Now you're gonna have to cut the boards.
This don't even need a latch because it stays up by itself.
See? What are we doing here then?
Get out of here. Go do. I have this YouTuber friend. He says, I ain't scared. I ain't welding it right there. You watched that show, huh? You know what? I'm tripping because you come over here and talk shit. Oh, man, I was doing so good. Now my morale is down the drain.
We would have came out the same if I done it. What? I can flip it around and you can do all the work.
Yeah, that was my joke.
Go the other way.
It doesn't move, see?
Oh man, it's a good and a bad thing. It's not so free.
I think it'll free up because if it gets rusty.
Yeah, just stuck and then never come out.
I think we should advise the WD-40 at least once a month.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Uh-huh. Good. Approved by the association. All right, this will conclude the ramp latch build. And here's how it works. Unlatch it, put it down, roll your equipment up, and then when you're done, go back up, latch it onto your other ramp, hold onto that one, and down the road it goes together as one. That's it. Make sure you spray some oily air on your ramp before painting. That'll make your paint adhere to it a lot better. we're all wrapped up here. This is about all we're gonna mask here. The rest of it is gonna get a nice coat of black. And here we are now in our paint booth. This is, what is it, like $250,000 booth? We got built about, I want to say about 2-3 years back. Let's get it done. It's like double. Take it yet? Yeah, two times the coverage, yes. Clean rails, which is our main concern. That's not how we say shine, right? We say she shines. Shines so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and install the decking on this thing and finish it up and get it out of here. You can go underneath and then mark it down with the pen maybe. That's right there. Is that all we need? 2? Yeah, 2. Or the double screw boarding. 2 lines of single screw, and we're gonna call it a day. There's a lot of screwing around right here. That's it. How the thing behaves on certain spots. It's like it hits a piece of American steel. The rest is all Taiwanese, nice and soft, but the one part, it's like, what?
Chinesium?
Chinesium, yeah. This is for the drill, guys. wonder what I was doing, putting liquid on the tip of those screws. That's liquid threads. They work it works real good, especially in metal, right? He doesn't believe in it. See the beauty? Here is the beauty. You missed it, dude.
I missed it, bro.
You missed the beauty.
All right. Well, it's all on camera, so you're good.
Okay. That's all I wanted to say now. Need to find a mechanic's belt that doesn't have this crap, because we get close to cars and that's the end of it.
Now you know the thing you do?
What?
You turn this around and you buckle it to the back. Yeah.
I'm a mechanic. Oh,
Yeah, that's innovation right there.
good one.